Welcome to Ramadan Recipes, where we make dishes for your iftar and for your sehri, both sweet and savoury. So today we're going to be making Cabbage Sabzi. This is a Gujarati dish and it's something that can be eaten alongside fish and also meat dishes and also alongside rice dishes for your iftar. So let's take a look at the ingredients we need to make Cabbage Sabzi. So we're going to be taking some cabbage, onions, oil for cooking, fresh lemon juice, salt and bay leaves, fresh green chilli, coriander, and that's fresh coriander, some ground cumin and some turmeric. So let's take a look at the instructions on how to prepare Cabbage Sabzi. To make the cabbage sabzi, we're going to take a frying pan and add some oil to that. And this is on a medium heat. And now we're going to add in the onions. Make sure you stir that and spread it around so that it cooks faster. Now add in the salt and the bay leaves. Give that another stir. You want to try and make sure that it becomes a bit more softer, and you want to actually make sure it goes a little bit more golden brown in colour as well. So the onions are actually great for the quercetin that it actually provides you, as well as the selenium. And selenium is brilliant for managing allergies alongside the quercetin. So the more onions that you can eat, they're actually better for your health. I'm using olive oil in this, so it's something that can be used for frying as well as for baking, and also as a dressing as well, so it's great for your health. Now I'm going to add in the spices. And really mix that in. The onions are softening at the moment, so you want to make sure that they turn a little bit more softer and a little bit more crispier as well. If you need to, you can actually raise the heat, but I'd recommend keeping it on a medium to low heat just to make sure nothing burns. So add in the fresh green chilies, give that a stir. You find that the aromas start coming through, and this is the point where you start adding in the cabbage. And make sure you really stir that in. So you get the onions and the spice mixture really coating all the cabbage. Now again, this is going to take a few minutes to coat through, so what I'm going to do is leave it to cook for about 20 minutes. So give it a stir occasionally as well, just every now and again come back to give it a stir so nothing sticks to the side or the bottom of the pan. So I've now been cooking this for about 20 minutes and the cabbage is really wilted and softened, and I'm going to add in some lemon juice. So give that a stir. Make sure it's all well blended in. And now add in the coriander as well. And again, give it another stir. Get all the ingredients combined together. And everything's ready. So this is completely ready to eat. So you can serve hot alongside other dishes. And it's great for adding that little bit of zesty flavour as well as the health-giving vegetarian properties of this as well. Cabbage Sabzi is great for nutritional value. It's really high in anti-inflammatory properties, something that will actually reduce your stress during the heavy fasting days, and it also contains a lot of vitamin C and fibre, and it's also great for lowering your cholesterol levels, especially if you use olive oil. So let's take another look at the ingredients that we need to make Cabbage Sabzi. Let's have another recap on how to prepare Cabbage Sabzi. Add the oil to a frying pan, and then on a medium heat add onions. Fry it until they become soft, and then add the spices. Stir and make sure the onion is well coated with the spice mix. Then add the cabbage and then give it a stir and leave to cook for around 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Come back to the mix and then lemon juice is added. Give it another stir and then leave to cook for around 5 minutes and then serve hot. I hope you've enjoyed making the Cabbage Sabzi with me today, and I'm sure you're going to make it for your iftar as well. Happy Ramadan.